Hi viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Weechat on Linux Mint 18.3. Weechat is a free and open source internet relay chat client which is designed to be light and fast. It is released under the terms of the GNU General Public License. Okay, now let us see how to install Weechat on Linux Mint 18.3. Here, before starting our installation, you should update our system repository using by apt-get command. The update is complete now. Then finally we have to install the Weechat. Click OK and continue the installation. The installation is complete now. Then finally we have to type Weechat. Then here we can see Weechat has been installed. Then enter the Weechat in the terminal to launch the application. Thus we have seen how to install Weechat on Linux Mint 18.3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.